God, being the ultimate refuge of the poor, the destitute and the forlorn, it is no surprise that Swami came to the rescue of these water-starved villagers. It all started in typical Sai style, one might say, in November 1994, during a function in Prashanti Nilayam, when Swami most unexpectedly began expressing his concern about the plight of villagers desperate for good drinking water. Present on the dais was the then Prime Minister, Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao, himself from the state of Andhra Pradesh.
The occasion was to honor a doctor who had performed the first ever heart surgery in Baba's super speciality hospital.
త్రాగడానికి కూడాను నీరు లేక చాలా అవస్థపడుతున్నారు. ఈ అనవసరంగా సముద్రంలో చేర్చేటువంటి ఈ జలం అంతా కూడాను రాయలసీమకు మళ్లించి ప్రజలందరూ కూడాను ఆంధ్ర వాళ్ళు కానీ తమిళ వాళ్ళు కానీ ఇంకా మహారాష్ట్ర అన్ని రాష్ట్రాలు కూడాను సుఖంగా ఉంటుండాలి. కనుకనే ఈ వాటర్ను రాయలసీమకు సప్లై చేసి ఈ యొక్క దుర్భిక్షాన్ని కొంతవరకు తగ్గించాలని నేను ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ఈ యొక్క రాయలసీమకు ఈ యొక్క వాటర్ సప్లై చేయటం లోపల అనేక రకమైనటువంటి ధన ఖర్చులు కూడా ఉంటున్నాయి. దానికి కోటో 2 కోట్లో లేకపోతే 100 కోట్లో 800 కోట్లో నేను ఇస్తాను.
Swami had dropped a big hint and the government no doubt heard it. But then, sympathetic though it might be, the governmental machinery moves ever so slowly. Feeling that the people had waited long enough, around March 1995, Swami decided to personally come to the rescue of the people of Anantapur district. He then gave a simple directive to the Sri Satya Sai Central Trust. He essentially said, "People have suffered long enough, and you must now launch a bold and imaginative scheme to relieve their suffering. Start with Anantapur district and set yourself the goal of providing safe drinking water to as many people as possible in as many villages as possible,
and in as short time as possible, no matter what the cost."
The best source of safe drinking water is rainwater that flows in canals, water that is stored in dams, and water that exists as subsoil water in riverbeds. Tap them all. Draw water from irrigation canals where possible. Purify this water and distribute. Draw water from irrigation dams where possible. Purify this water and distribute. Draw water from riverbeds and distribute. You may face difficulties like pumping water against gravity to reach villages that are at a higher level than the source. Do not worry, but go ahead. Forget about the cost and the expenditure, leave it to Swami. Your task is to go ahead at full speed, execute the project in the best possible manner and in the shortest possible time.